In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to a Trello board. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, open the board where you want the email to create a card. In this example, we're already inside a board, so from here, head to the top right area of the board and click the three-dot icon to open the board menu. When that menu appears, look for the Email to Board option and click it. Trello will then show you a unique email address connected to that board. This address is what lets you send an email directly into Trello, so go ahead and copy it carefully. Next, open your email client, whether that's a webmail service or a desktop mail app, and start composing a new message. In the To field, paste the Trello email address you just copied. This is the key part because any email sent to that address will be turned into a card on your Trello board. Now fill in the message details. The subject line of your email will become the title of the Trello card, so make sure it's clear and specific. Then, in the body of the email, type the information you want to appear as the card description. This is a great place to add task details, notes, instructions, or anything else you want attached to the card when it's created. Once everything looks good, send the email. After it's delivered, Trello will automatically create a new card on that board, using the subject as the card title and the body text as the description. That's all it takes to send an email to a Trello board. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here is to keep your subject line short but descriptive, since that becomes the card name people will see first. It's also a good idea to double check that you're sending to the correct Trello board email address, especially if you manage multiple boards. Since each board has its own unique address, using the wrong one could send your card to a different place than you intended. This method is especially useful if you want to turn incoming requests, reminders, or notes from your inbox into actionable Trello cards without manually copying everything over. It can save time and make it easier to organize work as soon as an email arrives. And that's it. You successfully used Trello's Email to Board feature to create a card straight from an email. Congratulations, and thanks for watching.